How to combine voice memos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Here, you can see your full list of memos. Tap on Edit in the top right corner and select the recordings you wish to combine. Now, tap the Share icon at the bottom left as shown. A menu will pop up and from here choose Save to Files. Now, create a new folder to save both files in one location for easy access and tap on Save on the top right corner as shown. Go back to home screen to find and open up the Merge Audio application on your phone. Here, tap on Select First Audio File. This opens the iPhone's Files browser. Now select the first audio clip you want to use. Then, tap on Select Second Audio File and choose the second audio clip from the Files browser. Before merging both the files, you can choose any of the duration options and add fade in or fade out for a dynamic effect. With both files loaded into the app, tap on the Merge button at the bottom of the screen. A success message appears confirming the audio has been merged. Once it has processed successfully, tap on Save. Then you are given options for where to save or send the new file. Scroll down to select Save to Files. Your combined audio file is saved now. Following these steps, you can easily combine voice memos on an iPhone.